Join me as I take on the challenge of shifting my mindset in just 24 hours. Can I really change my perspective before it's too late? Your mindset is the foundation upon which you build your life. It's the lens through which you view the world, and it's the driving force behind your decisions, actions, and ultimately, your outcomes. A strong, healthy mindset can take you to incredible heights, while a weak, limited one can hold you back from achieving your full potential. One of the most significant obstacles to achieving success is self-doubt. That little voice in your head that tells you you're not good enough, that you're not capable, that you're going to fail. It's a voice that can be deafening, and it's one that holds so many people back from pursuing their dreams. Fear of failure is another major mindset challenge. The fear of taking risks, of stepping outside of your comfort zone, of trying something new and unknown. It's a fear that can be paralyzing, and it's one that can keep you stuck in a life that's less than fulfilling. Then there are negative thinking patterns. Those limiting beliefs that tell you that you're not worthy, that you're not deserving, that you're not good enough. These patterns can be deeply ingrained, and they can be incredibly difficult to overcome. But the good news is that it's possible to overcome these mindset challenges. It's possible to rewire your brain, to shift your perspective, and to unlock your true potential. And that's what we're going to explore today. When we talk about mindset, we often talk about fixed versus growth mindsets. A fixed mindset is one that believes that your abilities, your intelligence, and your talents are set in stone. You're either good at something, or you're not. A growth mindset, on the other hand, is one that believes that your abilities can be developed, that your intelligence can be expanded, and that your talents can be nurtured. When you have a growth mindset, you're more likely to take risks, to push yourself outside of your comfort zone, and to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. You're more likely to see failures as learning experiences, rather than as reflections of your worth. On the other hand, a fixed mindset can lead to a fear of failure, a fear of taking risks, and a fear of stepping outside of your comfort zone. It can lead to a lack of resilience, a lack of perseverance, and a lack of determination. I remember a time when I was stuck in a fixed mindset. I was afraid of taking risks, afraid of failing, and afraid of looking foolish. But then I had a major mindset shift. I realized that my abilities weren't set in stone, that I could learn and grow and develop. And that realization changed everything. I started taking risks, I started pushing myself outside of my comfort zone, and I started embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. And you know what? It was liberating. I felt like I could accomplish anything, like nothing was holding me back. And that's what I want for you. I want you to experience that same sense of liberation, that same sense of empowerment. I want you to know that you have the power to change your mindset, to shift your perspective, and to unlock your true potential. So, let's recap what we've discussed today. We've talked about the importance of mindset, we've explored common mindset challenges, and we've discussed the difference between fixed and growth mindsets. And I want to leave you with this: changing your mindset is possible, but it requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to take risks. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's been your most transformative mindset shift, and how has it impacted your life? And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on personal growth and development. And if you want to learn more about how to overcome mindset challenges, check out my video on building confidence and self-esteem.